Well, thank you and good morning. Again, my name is Jerry Mezger. I'm President, CEO, and founder of Harbor MedTech, where we really are pushing forward on the promise of regenerative medicine. We have commercial-grade products in regenerative medicine with two products that are already FDA approved. We're leveraging off of all of that to create a broad portfolio of tissue regenerative products addressing orthobiologics, general and plastic surgery, and advanced wound care. Confirming those claims is we have a multi-million-dollar strategic partnership with the leading orthobiologics company headquartered in North Carolina. And we have an experienced management team ready to deliver on our promises. Now, there's lots of companies that have claims on regenerative medicine, but we've truly made a breakthrough with our bridge technology. Let me state clearly, the key to healing wounds is providing a stable, biocompatible, biologic base station to support healing, and that's exactly what we're doing with our bridge technology. Let me explain. A few years ago, we saw some remarkable wound healing with our bridge technology, but when asked, we couldn't explain it. How does that work? So we went to the Regenerative Medicine Center at Ohio State University and asked them to study our bridge technology. After a year of study, they came back and told us, we don't believe what we're seeing here. What we're seeing here is that your bridge technology, as an implant, actually attracts the patient's own growth factors into the wound and accelerates wound healing. And because our product slowly degrades, we extend that wound healing 24/7 until the wound completely heals. And again, those were the words from the Ohio State University, not ours. So here we are with some more proof of our technology in tissue regeneration. This was a sheep tendon implant where on the left-hand side, our tissue was implanted into a tendon, and in 6 weeks, we explanted it, and what we saw was new tendon material stimulated, where we stimulated the growth of new tendon material in the sheep. On the right is the same model implant that was done with the leading product in the market. They stimulated the growth of tissue as well, but they took twice as long to do it. So our primary priority right now is in the sports medicine field. It's a big $2 billion market, fast growing, addressing those injuries incurred by aging but still active adults, for torn knees, torn knee ligaments, ankles, shoulders, and so on. We're also going to go after the general surgery market, primarily hernia, where there's a strong preference for a biologic mesh, not a plastic mesh, but a biologic mesh that slowly degrades and eventually goes away. And then the third area of focus is wound care, where we already have 2 FDA-approved products. They're best in class, they're lower cost, and there's a broad pipeline of products to serve dermatology and plastic surgery. I mentioned before we have a strategic partnership with a leading orthobiologics company that's Bioventus, and that's for a rotator cuff repair product. They've put in several $1 million to support that and expect to launch it in about a year and a half. Other bridge products that we have is BP Matrix, which is really the tissue that's on the ProCuff product, but that's for support of soft tissue repairs in orthobiologics and hernia repair. Again, the ProCuff product is the product that Bioventus is taking forward, and we already have 2 FDA-approved products for advanced wound care called Architect. Executive management team is in place, many years of experience starting and building medtech companies that are now part of some of the leading companies in the world. So to wrap this up, I think we have a good list of investment considerations. We have patented technology, and it's proven for regenerative medicine. We haven't invested very much to date to get there. Our patent protection takes us out past 2032. We have FDA-approved products, so we know how to get through the FDA. All of this has been validated in our strategic partnership with Bioventus. We expect to launch 2 sports medicine products by the end of next year, and we have an experienced management team in place. So we're looking to raise some more funding to support that commercialization of our own products, and I'm happy to meet with you in the breakout session. Thank you.